Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to start copy trading on Bitget. First, navigate to the Bitget website in your browser. Make sure to log into your account. Next, go to the Copy tab at the top navigation bar. It'll show you futures copy trading, spot copy trading, and bot copy trading. Then, select the spot copy trading option from the drop-down menu. Here, you can trade faster with just copy trading. Scroll down, it'll show you the elite traders with the highest ROE. Swipe right and click on copy after selecting the one. To access all Bitget services, complete KYC verification first. After that, agree to the terms and conditions. You can choose fixed mode or multiplier. Slide the circle to select the limit and enable the auto copy mode. Lastly, hit the next button to start copy trading on Bitget. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.